The Kingsley Defender 90 is a re-engineered version of the classic Land Rover Defender, known for its rugged design and exceptional off-road capabilities. Kingsley Cars has taken this iconic vehicle and infused it with modern technology, luxury, and performance enhancements, creating a unique blend of classic charm and contemporary sophistication. Engine options. Under the hood, the Kingsley Defender 90 offers a variety of engine options to cater to different performance needs. You can opt for rebuilt standard petrol and diesel engines, or go for modern upgrades that provide improved performance and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, Kingsley offers hand-built Rover and Chevrolet V8 engines, delivering up to 450 bhp. These engines are paired with advanced transmission options, ranging from 4-speed manual to 8-speed automatic, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Exterior design. The Kingsley Defender 90 retains the timeless design of the original Defender with its boxy shape and robust build. However, Kingsley offers a range of customization options to suit your personal style. You can choose from various body styles, including hardtop, soft top, bikini top, and pickup. Each body style can be further enhanced with external styling options such as custom paint colors, alloy wheels, and LED lighting. Interior. Whether you want a complete refurbishment of the original trim or the entire interior trimmed in high-quality Napa leather with Alcantara accents, Kingsley can provide an environment inside your Defender tailored to your requirements. Air conditioning, modern infotainment systems, sound insulation, and panoramic roof conversions are just a handful of options offered to create a modern, luxurious interior within the size constraints of the rugged D90 exterior styling.